nobody but you. Pull up another ladder. Put me up the Benz on the Prada. Run up a brand new order. All of them really don't matter. 0 to 102. Yeah, some flex for you. All in them sections, yo, I set for you. Then we get a text from Joe, some shit with my legs can do. I don't play.
Yeah. I get ready for the interview, you know? Bess FM. Shana and her clothes. Promote the new single. Closer though. Yeah, belly big, we know that. A sweat. You see it? What we say? Draw me closer to you. The lakeside. Yeah, give God thanks and praise to the Most High. You see me? Moves, you see me? See that name, Lakeside Team Records? Get used to it. TJ didn't screw on properly, you understand me? Yeah, Lakeside, represent for Edgewater, same way. Greatness. You know I'm born for great. Little sister, Kenifa. I know you look down upon your brother and I say, yeah, that is it, my brother. I do it for them, you know? I do it for you. Yeah, because you always have some talented. You know, say, thing different, you know? Me still not realize, say you not come back. Your wings were ready, but my heart was not. Are you for there beside me, you were my comfort. Jah know me feel the pain non-stop. Me not realize, say you not come back. Your wings were ready, but my heart was not. Are you for there beside me, you were my comfort. Jah know me feel the pain non-stop. Hey, you are my sister, you are my friend, you are my G. Tears still a flow, watch the rivers from my cheek. Mommy still a crying of night, she not sleep. Yeah, man. See that Bruce, God's nigga. Roll out, dog there, isn't me? Yeah, dog there, see me. Road.
Just a drum beat with the thing there for the good eyes.
Yeah, see it, road.
You know what I mean?
Ready for the interview? Yeah.
I don't play, you will never ever find another like me. Yeah, you should know you made my day. When I lost my hopes, when you came my way, when you changed my mood. It's all good. Then I tried to push up and through it, but your else is still not smooth. Yeah. Pull up another party, yeah. I know but you nobody, yeah. Pull up another Rari, yeah. VFD, this is my Gary. Pull up another Audi, yeah. I know but you nobody, yeah. Pull up another card, yeah. I know but you nobody but you. Pull up another party, yeah. I know but you nobody, yeah. Pull up another Rari, yeah. VFD, this is my Gary. Pull up another Audi, yeah. I know but you nobody, yeah.
The guys were there. Just reach another radio station. Just like I said, student. I wait for going.
Yeah. Ready for fulfill prophecy, lyrical prodigy.
The next 4 minutes will fall, yeah?
Alright, bro. Know them feelings are comedy with things naturally. Ain't no screw on properly, that equal to psychology. Never go to college with this means me up a scholarship. Always a perform so them can never put me on a pip. Me know me did born for great. TG Lakeside. Beginning, guys.
I don't know what's saying I'm editing.
Yeah. Many more of these, many more. So we'll see the excited to take over the place. That's Nathan. Up trigger.
just going in now. Okay, I've been there.
More down by Margaret radio station. Bess 100 FM. So I went to Arman to come more for this beautiful show. See, come in and all of vibes good. And then if you don't know they have a beach, so you can come down from early and you can stay over. You can stay over till late.
Manager and the artist. Yeah, man.
Oh, go in the studio. Oh, boy. At the mountain, yeah. What a mountain.
Shani. Yeah, Shani. Shani Grant.
Wife. Yes.
Husband and wife.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, to the foundation. Dennis Emmanuel Brown, the Crown Prince. If you're tuning in right now on Twitch, you're seeing some foundation people at the studio right now. The Excite team records out of Edgewater, Portmore. Actually, I could take that card because probably I'm one winner.
like we call him.
Tony, we have some beautiful people at the studio. Yeah, Lakeside Record.
Bless up everything in a Bess FM. All the hands you walk on the floor in a Bess FM.
One that you know, bless him up, man. The man there, you know,
Bless up, bless up.
not on a radio station, but the Bess 100 FM. So it's a good vibes on the studio right now. I feel the energy. Some good people and good music, good artists. And not all the time you see artists come through with them manager, publicist, and assistant manager right now in a Bess 100 FM studio. I love that because music in Jamaica is the lifeline of Jamaica. You know, them say food, clothes and shelter, but we say food, music, clothes and shelter. Don't look for the music.
Music is life, music is life. Music is life.
And Faith is here, Faith Smith. She's a manager at TG. We have Curran there. Oh, Curran there today? Got to big him up, same way.
Yes, big up Q, Foundation, you know,
Foundation.
it's a brother to Travon,
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah.
So big up Q, and thanks for holding the fort that we could be out here. Blessings, not here, but you're here in spirit. And let me big up somebody else who is not here. His baby sister, who is deceased,
Right.
but she believed in the Lakeside dream. Bless up, Kenny. We know you're not here, but we know you're here in spirit. And I know you're happy to see all of us together. You went to the back of the house and you sprayed Lakeside on the wall when you were barely 12 years old. So bless up, and blessings. Thanks for having us.
Of course,
Really
man.
appreciate it. Thanks for having us.
Right place at the right time.
Blessings.
Of course, Shanique is here.
Hi.
Shanique, I mean, well representing. So, DJ, we're going to reason with you about the one nation hear that tune there first.
It is right.
And we have our assistant manager here. He's with us.
Oh, you cannot not without an assistant.
Boy, let me tell you, he's my strength. He's my strength. He's always there. I can depend on him. If I can't be there, he's there. And believe it or not, it's a friendship of over 12 years. So bless up, Bruce.
Long time friends, you know. Friends, they're in family.
Buy things and I don't.
Does so, yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, family.
Yeah, man, bless up to you, my G.
Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Yes,
That's a
man.
Big show there.
We know we did born for grace. Yo, ready for fulfill prophecy, lyrical prodigy. Know the feelings are comedy with things naturally. Let us grow properly, that beat up to psychology. Never go to college with the streets, we have a scholarship. Always a perform so they can never put me on a beat. Skillful like Christy, plus not an Ibrahimovic. True enough, nothing can be beat to the song you see. High grade for fun, yo, Cuban another spliff. What is to be, I feel be them can't stop the G. Hotter than a pepper pot, similar to graffiti. Silent charisma, me use unlucky. Streets, yeah. What is to be, I feel be them can't stop the G. Hotter than a pepper pot, similar to graffiti. Silent charisma, me use unlucky. Streets, yeah. Me know me did born for great. Me made it one hold on to faith. Yes, I never bring you brighter days. Elevate, meditate, we are levitate. Me know me did born for great. Me made it one hold on to faith. Yes, I never bring you brighter days. Elevate, meditate, we are levitate.
DJ, play the song from the top, man. Where you do, man? Sure.
Introducing TG.
Me know me did born for. Me know me did born for great. Yo, TD. Yeah, ready for fulfill prophecy, lyrical prodigy. Know the feelings hurt comedy with things naturally. Head not screw on properly, that equal to psychology. Never go to college with the streets, me have a scholarship. Always a perform so them can never put me on a beat. Skillful like Christy, plus Natan Ibrahimovic. Flew enough, nothing from the beat to the song you sing. High grade for fun, yo, Cuban another spliff. What is to be, I will be them can't stop the G. Hotter than a similar to graffiti. Silent charisma, me use unlucky. Streets, yeah. What is to be, I feel be them can't stop the G. Hotter than a pepper pot, similar to graffiti. Silent charisma, me use unlucky. Streets, yeah. Me know me did born for great. Me one hold on to faith. Yes, I'm gonna bring you brighter days. Elevate, meditate, we are levitate. Me know me did born for great. Me one hold on to faith. Yes, I'm gonna bring you brighter days. Elevate, meditate.
Big up the youths them.
Oh, me fi stop and Jaja give me the green light. Work hard like the youths them I get out a 3 mile. Sing to myself, people think I'm a senile. Happy inside, but my face in a sea smile. Like a crocodile, me coulda end up on pre-wild. Bungee.
If you're a young youth like you right now, especially Wagwan, in Jamaica,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Someone show me say, Ibi, yo, Wagwan, you're safe in Jamaica, you're not left out of Jamaica. May I say right now, Jamaica nice, you know what I mean? Land of food and only for coconut water.
True.
See? And we have to make it better.
Yeah.
Real
And,
talk.
and through the music. What inspired this song?
Alright, you know, honestly, it's like normally early morning, get up and turn on music box and just play the rhythm, come get it from a producer and it just come to me, get the rhythm good while. Never feel like to write anything. And then the first part me hear, like the bridge of the song, even though the verse started. And what is to be, if to be, them can't stop the G. And I said, no man. I'm just sit down and even my daughter they around me and me just still write, come and write my music for my phone, like for my notepad.
Yes.
And she they around me, but you know, just there and just write, and all of the work. I know me, I know from me. But just Jah or God. You understand me? Yeah.
Even on the music, you say,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
So it's just, I would even say something I sat and think about, just came to me, and it could be me alone. You understand me? Yeah, the most motivation from the most high.
Yes.
You get me? Yeah.
Inspire. Yeah, man. When just a write and just a sing, you know what I mean?
True.
All the strings are in D. I go straight over to Faith. Yeah, Faith as a manager. Yeah, where you want to see this song? And where you want this song to reach right now?
Okay. Manager / mommy.
Movie.
Let me tell you something. I'll go a little in depth, in the sense that ever since as a child, I remember one day, I was in New York, and he came up from Jamaica. And I'll never forget, we were in the living room, and he started to sing a song. And he started to sing, going, back to Kai. And I said, what the hell? And I'm in New York, and I did not know what that was. And then he said, Mommy, Zimmer, who got a key to the baby? He couldn't speak. He could not even speak properly. So I eventually said to him, no, go so. And so I called Jamaica, and I said, what is Zimmer? And what is going, back to Kai? And then I realized that was Biggie's song, Going Back to California, and Beenie Man's song. And I realized ever since that he had a talent. He had a talent. And I'm a mommy who believes that if there's a talent, I'm going to build on it. I'm going to encourage it. And that's what I did. When he came, I remember one day we lost my daughter, and they were like twins. And we lost her to cancer, right? And he had stopped singing. First thing first, one day I took him to the river and came by Cayman's Bay. And this young man started to sing a song that Portmore have more guns, more M16, this, that. And he went through everything in Portmore, every gun you can think about. And the guys on the river gave him a forward. And I say, this boy is not even a ghetto boy. He don't know nothing about these things, right? He's military picnic. He doesn't know anything about these things. And they said to me, Mommy, he has talent, but I wanted him to do school. Within that period, I got sick. Daughter died. So I remember one day I was in my room, and the Spirit said I should get up and anoint his throat with olive oil. And I got the olive oil, and I anointed his throat, because he said, Mommy, I didn't feel like singing anymore. And he started to sing again, right? And I remember he put out a song, Win Now, and wicked song. You know, Sister Mana, Win Now, you know, Sister Mana Star, big inspirational song. He did it for SDC, and they said to me, this picnic have talent. The other day, he started to going back to the studio, and I saw he was going back to the studio. And I said, you know something? It's your time. The day he sent me this song, great, because my prayer is really closer. But when he sent me great, and I said, no man, my part is lyrical prodigy. So every morning I get up, I'm actually singing it. And I'm declaring over him greatness. And I had already declared greatness, because we have to know what we speak over our children, right? So it's important. And I spoke greatness. And when I heard the song, Great, you know, I just started to say, Lord, you promised me beautiful ashes. Because since the death of my daughter, it has just been sadness. And when he said, great, and I just said, God, to you be the glory. Because no matter what we're doing, we can't leave the Father out of it. We have to give thanks where it is due. So basically, great was just a manifestation of what is there, greatness. Right? And there comes great.
Right. With all that being said, we know that it's going to go to higher heights and greater. And you know, family is so important, especially when they believe in you. Because enough time, you know, we say, Mommy, or we say, Daddy, we have to do certain things, and Mommy and Daddy don't really fully believe in the vision and what we're going to do. So it's a plus, it's an energy when Mommy can say, go on, youth.
And the brother, and don't forget the two brothers.
Yes,
the two brothers.
The two brothers.
Yes, that's what the two brothers, Andre and Q, the two brothers.
So TG, what TG stand for?
You know, actually it stand for Travon Grant, shortening. Actually, brothers give me that name, you know, just TG. And I say, work with it. And them just work with it, and everybody just, yeah. Just a work with it, you know? Yeah.
Catch it over vibes. And I realized, you know what I mean, when the song Great was playing, yeah, your publicist was rocking and talking of everything. I want to, she just closer to the mic.
Yeah.
I realized that Sending also a brand to her name. Two brands, so tell me about it. How it is. You know, you name Grant and TJ's Grant as well.
Well, you know, we have to keep it in the family. But I am actually his wife. So, you know, I double as the publicist as well.
Of course.
You know, you have to recognize when somebody is great, and he is great. So, you know, my role is just to ensure that he gets where he needs to be. He gets that, you know, following around him. and people actually see his talent. So it's just to get him to the four corners of the earth, as they would say.
Of course.
Yeah.
I love that optimistic attitude that you have. So as a publicist, we know a publicist have to, as I mentioned, make sure say everything compensates with him. So you get a problem?
No, man. Well, if I'm being honest,
Sometimes.
sometimes. You know, nothing is perfect, but for the most part, great.
I just look like you will work with it because publicist is very important. I mean, images so much.
It's true.
Yeah, because people see you, people want to know that you're consistent.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, the music goes and all that. So.
It's true.
Wishing you all the best, man, and we're here to support you. Support your music, support your energy, support your vibes, see?
Respect.
I can drop our next track from the eye and then then up and draw near and
Yeah. Can't shy away, you know?
I made I don't drop my ball.
But can't shy away. True.
Yeah, man, I want to name Closer.
Yeah.
Draw me closer to you. Draw me closer to you. Bess FM.
I second chance me not deserve it, God me know me no worthy. But me a beg your father, do not left me one for the journey. Won't leave a time them call me rough and tell me say me worthless. But life have a way for make you see the tables turning. No for my bridge on me cross, job me never burn it. The only thing of me have, the father know me earn it. Them asks why me sing so much gun song. From my sister got me at 30. Draw me closer to you. Draw me closer to you. Lord, draw me closer to you.
Bess FM.
Lord, my heart is hurting, I mean, I know where to go. Yeah, I two-face them that me notice. Tell them the brave may fall, we not give up just like a fortress. Jah, you are my guide and shield, you are my fortress. When me touch the battlefield, you know me not go forfeit. Yeah, mankind sicker than COVID, mommy say, watch the people you roll with. Cause them don't want see we blow up like the explosives. Not take kindness from people lightly, cause them use it spite me. And always end up with motives, yeah. On the lonely road with Jay over me traveling.
I'm give this from top. Yo, this is a crossover tune, you know. May hear this one at some fest, reggae some fest.
Yeah, man.
May hear this one of the biggest gospel concerts in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, this was like a prayer, you know? Trust me. Yeah, man. Trust me.
But I want thing me beg you.
Yeah, man, you bad,
Draw me closer to you. Bess FM, walk it down.
yeah. A second chance me no deserve it, God me know me no worthy. But me a beg your father, do not left me one for the journey. One leap of time them call me gruff and tell me say me worthless. But life have a way for make you see your good journey. Do not my bridge of me cross, job me never turn. As everything what me have, the father know me earn it. Them marks why me sing so much gun song. From my sister than me at 13. Draw me closer to you.
Big prayer.
Draw me closer to you. Lord, draw me closer to you. Lord, my heart is hurting, I mean, I know where to go. Yeah, I two-face them that me notice. Tell them the brave may fall, we not give up just like a fortress. Jah, you are my guide and shield, you are my fortress. When we touch the battlefield, you know me not go forfeit. Yeah, mankind sicker than COVID, mommy say, watch the people you roll with. Cause them don't want see we blow up like the explosives. Not take kindness from people lightly, cause them use it spite me. And always end up with motives, yeah. On the lonely road with Jay over me traveling. Man a cream and at the streets, tell them me traveling. Thank you, Father, you hold the other over everything. Listen when me sing, draw me closer to you. Draw me closer to you. Lord, draw me closer to you. Lord, my heart is hurting, I mean, I know where to do. Yeah, a second chance we don't deserve it, God, we know me no worthy. Father God, do not left me one for the journey. People time to call me rough and tell me send me worthless. Have a way for make you see the tables turning.
Make you see the tables turning. No farmer bridge me cross, me never burn it. And everything when me have, the Father know me earn it. What we say? We deserve it.
Them can't grieve us.
Yeah, especially what's going on in Jamaica right now. So family structure is so important. So really elated right now to see a family coming in the studio with so much positive vibes and positive energy. Sometimes when I say, people say, well, I go on music done in Jamaica, music I feed my stream, but when I say once there's life, there's hope. There's hope. And this is great hope right now in the best 100 FM studio. Portmore.
For sure.
For sure.
Bring back the music, Have to be a Portmorean, Yeah. Bring back the music to Portmore. Trust me, bring it back to Portmore differently. Trust me. Yeah. With positivity as well. Trust me.
I love that. Yeah. Real. None of fun.
Present.
Represent. Represent in the building.
What's popping?
So assistant manager, and really love when assistant is so important, because it's strengthened.
True.
It's strengthen the structure. And some when faith might overlook something and have some other things dealing with internationally, you can the locally when she local and internationally. And surround the thing. So where you want to see the artists reach?
Where I want to see the artist reach?
Yeah.
Right now or in 5 years? Because right now what I want to see the artist reach on billboards. I want to see the artist reach on billboards, winning awards, Grammys, such and such. I want to see us going forward in life, doing the best we can, giving back, helping out the artists, us going forward doing the best we can.
Real thing. And you mentioned, in 5 years, I love that. So even though you already know, you still have over the horizon a projection.
Yeah.
Because without plan and without a structure, you know we can, have a reaching more for yourself.
Yeah.
Like that you mentioned, no. And you mentioned
5 years.
Really love that energy from that. See?
Thank you.
Yeah, man, just keep the fire burning and keep it up. DG. The message you have for the youth them where I do music and I feel like it's a struggle, I feel like I'm not going to hear them with them saying positive music.
My message is, don't give up. That's how I see. Don't give up. Continue pushing. Not because, for instance, you might hear in chopping, all type of different things, singing, and to you it seems like that's selling. But you see what the Father have in store for you, no man can change that. So you just have to continue. The road not going to be smooth, rocky. Because I am going through it still. You understand me? Still going through it. Sometimes you're going to wake up and you not even want to write a song. You're not even going to want to go to the studio. Or you will be at the studio voicing and then something distract you, you just feel fed up and say you're working in vain. But for me, if you love the music, because I always tell my mother, say, even if I don't make it, or make it, still going to do music. That's something I love. So if from you have the love for it, you will just push on and continue working. That's my message to the youths.
Love self and love what you're doing. Yes, the message to the youths from TG. Positive youth in the studio. The right people doing the right thing with the right energy in the right place with the right team give you the right results.
True.
So we believe in that and we know that the eye of greatness embedded. Right now, we play music around JV.
Right, true.
Yeah, right, true. And mama dear, brother them there. Yeah, big up in studio Andre. For the first time, tell you the truth, we're up on an outside broadcast. No matter which part of the day, for Garden Town or some of the hills. One of them place there.
Yeah.
And Andre say, yo, he be lying, never true for playing. I never say no brother or nothing,
Yeah.
Yeah, I just tell me, say, I'm trying to play the TG. I say, yo, drop the tune. And when drop the tune, I might tell us that tune they get a forward. Which part me up on the outside broadcast, listen.
Yeah.
You must say, how are you there?
Bless you.
We don't know everything about you, but know you're going to meet him one day. So when people can have an ear for the positive sound,
that's true.
On right now,
It's true.
Within the Jamaica landscape.
It's true.
So some of the studios they work out of?
Alright, well, currently just working at with a called Image Music, that's at Waterford, with engineer TD Rebel Nation. Yeah, but been to Brixton in Brayton in Portmore, also RC1 Studios, that's in Edgewater, I guess a lot of veterans been to that studio as well, but currently working with my team right now. Yeah, with a good chemistry with my team right now. So we're just doing that work right now.
Yes, and if you're not watching the Twitch or you're not watching the best Bess FM 100, if you're just tuning in to the radio station, yeah, you're Lakeside Team Records, and everyone have on them t-shirt. 4 beautiful ones in the studio right now. Professionalism turn up.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm prepared to go out there.
Prepare to go out there.
True.
As Donovan saying, because presentation is everything.
Presentation is everything.
Yes, and people will believe and listen you if your package is presentable.
It's presentable.
Definitely.
We eat with our eyes.
That's true.
As mom said, down up on the pepper pot. So eat with your eyes. Real thing. Real vibration. And so we're going to continue to play the eye tune. We're going to continue to follow the eye. Tell me some of the social media angles that people can reach you on.
Alright. On Instagram, it's TG Music. That's a fan page. Also TG Lakeside. On Facebook, TG Lakeside. On Twitter, that's TG Lakeside 94. On TikTok as well, TG Lakeside. Yeah, so from you type in TG Lakeside on all platforms, you will find me there. You understand me? On YouTube, you have TG Music and so forth. So you'll find me on all those platforms with TG Lakeside.
TG Lakeside.
Yeah.
Easy to remember my people, my listeners, them across the whole entire world. You know that easy for listeners right now. They can just type in me and with their Instagram live, see a way. So you can watch forward this recording on our page. So just connect to the music, man. Connect to the positive vibes. As I say, goodness in Jamaica same way, you know. I don't tell you don't watch or listen to news because you have to keep in tune.
True.
But yeah, goodness and greatness in Jamaica. With that being said, and that song that we want to run back, you know.
I want to.
Before we touch about that song there, yeah, mom, we're going to make mama. As I say, mom is not just a manager, but she's mama as well.
I want to leave a message. I want to leave a message. And it probably has nothing to do with the music, because not only am I a mom, but I'm also a counselor. And what I want to say, I want to speak to our parents. And I want to say, parents, let us heal our homes that we can heal the nation. True. The healing of the nation starts with homes. I want parents, it takes a village to raise children. And I want us to go back to the days when we were all involved in raising our children. While we're talking about all that is happening, until we heal the homes, our nation can't be healed. So let us start healing the homes. Blessings.
Healing the homes. What call on line, right?
Hold on, let me say it online.
Healing our homes. Yeah, we're going to call on line. Call on Blessed, you're live on the Bess 100 FM.
But Sunday when my name closer, I swear to talk me up, to go run it back again, you know.
Bless up, man. Respect. Yeah. Man has a respect. Respect, my general. Respect.
Yeah, man. Alright, Biggs, bless up yourself, you know. Give thanks for tuning in. So guess what? I'm going to the studio now. Me want greater, and he want closer.
It's greater when it's closer, don't it?
Where you give me, Jay? People are closer first.
Yeah.
Coming closer to you. Inside. Yeah, a second chance we not deserve it, that we know me no worthy.
Big up yourself, Biggs. Big up yourself, General.
Tell me say me worthy, but life have a way to make you see the table turning. No fall a bridge when me cross, job me never learn. The father know me dirty. Them marks why me sing so much closer. From the sister down me heart to thirsty. Draw me closer, closer to you. Draw me closer, closer to you. Lord, draw me closer, closer to you.
Lord, my heart is hurting, I mean I know where to go. Tell them what? Two face a lot me notice. Tell them the brave may fall, we not give up just like a fortress. Try you are my guide and shield, you are my fortress. When we touch the battlefield, them know we not go forfeit. Yeah, mankind bigger than COVID. Mama say, watch the people here roll with. Cause them don't want see we blow up like the explosives. No take kindness from people lightly. Cause them use it spite me. And always end up with motives, yeah. On the lonely road with Jay over me traveling. Man agree, man at the streets, tell them not traveling. Thank your Father, you hold the other over everything. Listen when me sing. Draw me closer, closer to you. Draw me closer, closer to you. Lord, draw me closer, closer to you. Lord, my heart is hurting, I mean I know where to go. Yeah, I second chance we not deserve it, that me know me no worthy. Two now with me one for the journey. Call me come and tell me send me word this is what my best of it wants it. Yeah. Introducing TV. What we tell them Bess FM, we know we did born for. We know we did born for great. Yo, TV. Ready for fulfill prophecy, lyrical prodigy. Know them feelings hurt, cause we deal with things naturally. Head not screw up properly, that equal to psychology. Never go to college with the streets, we have a scholarship. Always a prof, so them can never put me on a bib. Skillful like Christy plus Latan Ibrahimovic. Flew enough, nothing on the beat to other song you sing. I grateful Bunny, yo, Q, Bill, another spliff. What is to be, have to be, them can't stop the G. Hotter than a pepper pot, similar to coffee tea. Style and charisma, me use all lucky. Streets, yeah. What is to be, have to be, them can't stop the G. Hotter than a pepper pot, similar to coffee tea. Style and charisma, me use unlucky. Streets, yeah. What was that? We know we did born for great. Mommy, what? One hold on to faith. Yes, I'm not gonna bring you brighter days. Elevate, meditate, we are levitate. Me know me did born for great. Mommy, one hold on to faith. Yes, I'm not gonna bring you brighter days. What me tell them now? How me fi stop and try to give me the green light? Work hard like the youth them when they out a 3 mile. Sing to myself, people think I'm senile. Happy inside, but my face and I see smile. Like a crocodile, me coulda end up on free wild. Bungee house mansion on the scheme side. Beach property with couple cars on scheme bike. Feel good when the mother feel nice. What is to be, have to be, them can't stop the G. Similar to coffee tea. What would do? Streets, yeah. What is to be, have to be, them can't stop the G. Other than a pepper pot, similar to coffee tea. We also unlucky. Streets, yeah. We know me born for you. We know we born for you. It's not gonna bring a brighter day. We know me born for great. Fulfill prophecy, lyrical prodigy. Feelings are comedy with things naturally. Never strong properly, that's equal to psychology. Never go to college with the streets, we have a scholarship. What is to be, and we be them can't strategy.
Yeah, any on the paper pot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, bless up to Jamaica, you know, we're praying for the nation, you know. Praying for the entire Jamaica because we know greatness is still there. Want you them keep the faith, hold up your heads high, and listen to good music. And I say faith is in the studio right now too. Yeah, manager, you know. So TJ, I wish you all the best.
Blessing.
Let's go and rise and shine.
True.
Let's keep it positive, you know.
And thank you for having us here as well.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Welcome anytime, man.
Trust me.
Anytime, brother. Anytime we join.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to come and to showcase his talent. We really appreciate it. And I pray that the Lord will continue to use you, you know, because believe it or not, you're an instrument and you've allowed yourself to be used and your reward comes from there. You know, thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. Thanks to the entire team.
Yeah, man.
Blessing.
Much respect.
So this afternoon,
Singing these words, you know, hear it regular. And the money I come, you know, when we see the great day, No. It's the youth, it's the alternative. It's like health food and junk food. You get to eat junk and get right. So you have to mix it. Yeah. Yes. God love it. Yes, PG. Let's up. We love the Mexican. Yeah, him can do that. I'm playing up with that. Alright. Do it if we need it, like a drop. Yeah. So you do the music in the background as like a hand, and you send it down, we can play it regular hour segment. Alright, that drop. You know, I'm just alright, alright, thank you. The news, we have to hip hop about music.
I'm breaking up fire. So I'm going outside. So I'm going
The energy was nice. The energy was nice. The enemy had nothing on us because why the energy was nice. Each time you spoke, you found the spirit of boldness. You spoke.
My heart a beat fast, you know.
And Bruce did.
And Bruce surprised me.
Hey, more than one thanks. I used to God, if you never come out, you know what I mean? So,
We appreciate them.
Respect.
But you don't know, sometimes it doesn't want to meet them, I will tell them to your my assistant. So.
No, like, my heart did a beat fast.
Just nice.
But it was a good energy.
And it's best for more to come.
Yeah. And you know, people are going to look out for you.
Where TG started alive.
Just I say it now?
Probably just there.
Oh.